So what we have here, as the question says, what will be the resistivity? It asks you for the resistivity. Resistivity is rho of the material of wire 2 meter length. It has given you the length of the wire, that is 2 meter, and 0.6 millimeter in the diameter. It also has given you the diameter of the wire, that is 0.6 which can be converted into m, ठीक है, 0.0006 m. Why? Because 1 m is equals to 1000 mm. ठीक है, as you know, then 1 millimeter will be equal to 1 upon 1000 meter. This is the conversion took place in between millimeter and meter. That is why the mm has been converted into m by dividing three zeros uh, to the numerator. So we will calculate the r here. R will be half of the diameter, that is 0.003 meter. Okay, this is r. So what we can calculate? We know, as we know, what we know, as we know, what we know here, that rho is equal to R L over, sorry, R A over L. R is the resistance. Uh, can we have the resistance? Yeah, we have the resistance. Resistance is given as 50 ohm. So we have 50 ohm is the resistance. Then area. We know that area is equals to pi r square. Okay. So pi will be equals to 22 over 7, and r is 0.003 multiplied by 0.003. Next thing is upon L. L, what is L here? L is 2 meter. So it will be divided with 2 meter of L. So we will cancel it out by 2 by this thing is 11, and the remainings will be multiplied. So 50 multiplied by 11 will become 550 multiplied by 0.3 into 0.003 triple 03. These are three zeros, as we have divided it by 1000. So it will become 0.000000. All three zeros will be counted, and then one more zero, and then 9 over 7. By solving this particular expression, we will get our resistivity, whatever the amount of resistivity is there. So let's solve it. Let's solve it. So when 550 divided by 7, when 550 divided by 7, it will gives us 78.57. And this particular, the large expression, can be converted into uh, scientific notation, which says 9 into 10 ki power. How much time does the decimal replaced to the right hand side? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7
Seven.
7 then 8. So it will become minus 8. When we multiply this particular expression 78.57 by 9, so what we will get? We will get 707.14 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 8. So again we will convert it into the scientific notation. The scientific notation will uh, shift this particular decimal to the left hand side two times. So it will become 7.0714 multiplied by, and since the decimal has been moved to left hand places, so it will be uh, increase with 2 points. Okay, it will become minus 6, and the unit here is ohm meter. So this is the resistivity of the material. Okay, we have calculated as the question has been asked. Okay,